Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is December 4th, 2025. We've got a real special piece for you guys here today. This is one of the lowest and nicest 140Hs I've personally come across. It's a previous county-owned machine, and it's a nice unit, guys. We're going to give you a quick little walk-around video. We're also going to give you a quick operations video. Everything works and functions as it's supposed to. We have tested everything out on this machine. And guys, it's as clean as it looks, guys. It is straight, all the sheet metal straight. You know, the board is straight, the rotate is straight and clean, and doesn't have any wear in the blade. Guys, this is a nice machine. New cutting edges on it, new tires. This is as clean as they get, guys. 7,000 hour machine here. Those are original factory hours. And it shows it too, guys. It's a nice, clean machine. Again, previous county owned. Without further ado, let's give you a quick little walk around this unit and let you see it. The one thing we like about county owned units is they take particular care on them, and they make sure all the lights are working, stuff like that. They fix all the little details. This one's been serviced by Ziegler Cat. It's set up for a push block. Also got these ox hydraulics going to the front as well. So it's plumb for any attachments you guys want to run on front here. Again, the mold board and the bushings there are all in good shape, real tight, blades tight, not shifting around. Again, good tires on the machine, Michelin tires. Just over that on the hours, guys. We'll get you a video of that as well. Thing runs excellent, pre-def, none of the BS with today's standards. Runs great, no blow-by. Nice clean oil, no glitter. You know, this is one of the most original machines I've seen. It's been unmolested, cat maintained. Can't get any better than this, guys. There's the VIN plate. You got a stamp VIN plate as well. Michelin tires. Just a clean unit, guys. You just don't come across these very often. Go ahead and hop in the cab here. We're showing 7,095.2 hours. And those are actual hours. You gotta get in this cab. It sure is hard to get in these holding a phone. All right, guys, all the features it has. The lights are all working as they're supposed to. Got AC and heat. The heat's working really good, guys. It's cold out today, about 30 degrees. All the fans are working. All the wiper blades are doing their jobs. Guys, it's working as it's supposed to. Even the headliner in this thing is clean, guys. Unmolested. Got the cat radio, and it does work as well. Even the radio works on this machine, guys. What a nice one. Without further ado, just for the sake of time, you guys have seen it. You see how clean it is. We're gonna go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here. It also comes with all the manuals. Got the repair manuals, the disassembly, assembly manuals. Got the parts catalog for this machine. Guys, they don't come with it. That is a rare option to get. Without further ado, let's get you a quick little operations video. We'll show all the functions that are hooked up to this machine working, and then we'll also get you a video of the machine going forward and backwards as well. So we'll go ahead and back this up a little bit so we have some room against that other wheel loader back there and get these for you. All right, check it out, guys. 140H. All right, as you can see, guys, this is a 10-minute long video. Yes, I know it's long, but I want you guys to just see what you're getting here. This is just the nicest machine out of 148 that you're gonna get in this country now. They've all gone overseas, we've gone over to other places, and they've all got high hours, guys. This has got about half of what you're gonna find on there. Usually they've got about 12 to 14,000. This one's got 7,000 original. Fishing this machine, give us a call, 972-666-9501. Happy bidding, guys.